How to decide between YouTube TV and cable. Are you stuck in the dilemma of choosing between YouTube TV and traditional cable? You're not alone, and that's why we're here to help you make an informed decision. First, think about the channels you can't live without. Cable TV often offers a wider range of channels, including local networks and various specialty options. On the other hand, YouTube TV provides a robust selection of popular channels, including sports and news, but may lack certain local or niche channels important to you. Next, consider the cost. Traditional cable can come with various fees and tends to be pricier, especially when bundled with internet services. YouTube TV usually has a simpler pricing model with fewer hidden fees, offering more predictable monthly bills. Another point to evaluate is the viewing experience and equipment. Cable services often require a set-top box rental, while YouTube TV needs only an internet connection and a compatible device, like a smart TV or streaming stick, which can be more convenient for some users. DVR capabilities are also an essential factor. YouTube TV shines here with Cloud DVR, allowing you to record unlimited shows and watch them later without worrying about storage space. Cable offers DVR too, but it often comes with additional fees and storage limits. Additionally, think about the flexibility and commitment each service requires. Cable contracts can lock you in for a year or more, while YouTube TV offers the freedom of month-to-month subscriptions, allowing you to cancel anytime without penalty. Finally, consider the broadband implications. Since YouTube TV relies on streaming, a fast and reliable internet connection is a must to avoid buffering issues, while cable doesn't depend as heavily on your internet stability. Ultimately, the choice between YouTube TV and cable hinges on your viewing habits, budget, and lifestyle preferences.